Hey guys, so I decided to do my LGBT plus media analysis on a Colgate ad. It's called Smiled with Pride. It was created in 2016 and it's actually in Spanish, but I completely understood it without knowing how to speak Spanish. It kind of goes over how sometimes older generations discriminate, and in this video, um, a grandpa and his grandson didn't discriminate this couple. It's one of the first homosexual ads in Mexico. The complexity is, I think it shows complexity because the directors thought about the discrimination from older generations, and I haven't seen very many videos where it talks about this perspective. I think it teaches younger generations there's nothing wrong with being attracted to the opposite sex, and it's super caring because in the video they're helping them move into their house. In the video, they're like carrying a couch up the stairs and they can't do it by themselves, and the grandpa and the grandson help them. I think it totally displays authenticity. It's about couples moving into their first home together. They meet their neighbors and they're kind of making friends with their neighbors who are also helping them. The proportionality is it's not stereotypical. It's a common thing that happens all the time when couples are moving into their first home together. It's not a topic that everyone goes over, like whenever older generations are discriminating. And then it's also another country besides America, because it was the first homosexual video in Mexico. I think it totally displays excellent journalism, and it was an ethical ad.